Okay, hello everybody. We are going to do a little bit with circles today, really quick, just to kind of go over what we learned in class to make sure you understand it. So we have a circle here. This on a circle is a radius. So this radius is 14. Now, a diameter on a circle goes all the way through the circle. And so really a diameter is made up of two radiuses, two radii. So this one would be 14, and this one would also be 14, which means our diameter is 2 times longer than our radius, and our diameter is 28. So let's find the area of this circle, which means how much space does it take up? And then let's find the circumference, which means what is the distance around? So first of all, area, we're going to do pi times the radius squared, which means pi times the radius times the radius. Remember, pi, we're going to use 3.14. So we would have pi times the radius, which is 14 times 14. So one answer we could put would be, and I'm going to just show it here on my phone. So we would do 14 times 14, and we get 196. So 196 pi is one answer. Now you can also multiply that out and do 196 times 3.14, and you get 615. And I didn't put any units. Don't worry about units right now. Okay, so we have two ways we can write our answer, this way or this way. Now let's talk about the circumference. Circumference is distance around. That's the distance around. It's like the perimeter. Okay, so distance around or the perimeter. So how do we find the circumference? Well, we do pi times the diameter, which is 2 times pi times the radius. These are the same thing. So 2 times the radius, as we talked about up here, is the diameter. So again, we could put our answer as 28 pi. That is one perfectly acceptable answer, or you can multiply 28 times 3.14. So again, there's Lydia and Oliver. 28 times 3.14, and that gives you 87.92, and that's your circumference. Let's do one more real quick here. And in this one, I have given you a diameter, and you have to find the radius, right? So if all the way across is 10, what is halfway across? Well, it would be 5, because 5 plus 5 would give me 10. So the radius is 5, and the diameter is 10. And again, we can use these formulas, so you just plug in the numbers. It's real easy. So which is pi times 5 times 5. So one way to write the area would be 25 pi. That's putting your answer in terms of pi. Another way would be to do 25 times 3.14. Let me do that on my calculator. So 25 times 3.14 gives me 78.5. Okay, and that is the other way to write the area. Now, to do the circumference, again, you can just take your diameter. So one way to write it would be 10 pi. That's it. That's your circumference. Or you can plug in the number for pi. So you do 10 times 3.14, and that gives you a circumference of 31.4. Okay, people, I hope that helps a little bit in clarifying what we did in class. Please rewatch the video if you need it. Thank you so much.